Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curly hair. Achieving beautiful, defined curls starts with proper preparation. First, ensure your hair is clean and damp, not soaking wet, as this provides the ideal canvas. Next, generously apply a good leave-in conditioner, focusing on even distribution to hydrate and detangle. Finally, divide your hair into 4 to 6 manageable sections, securing each with a clip. This systematic approach ensures every strand receives attention, leading to more consistent and stunning results. Once your hair is prepped, it's time to form those gorgeous curls. Apply a curl cream or gel evenly, ensuring good coverage from root to tip. For more defined, uniform curls, try finger coiling small sections around your finger, then gently release. Alternatively, for a more natural look, simply scrunch your hair upwards towards your scalp. This encourages your natural curl pattern to spring into action. Experiment with both methods to discover what works best for your hair type and desired outcome. Proper drying is crucial for long-lasting, frizz-free curls. You have a couple of excellent options. For maximum volume and minimal frizz, use a diffuser attachment on your hairdryer set to low heat and low speed. Gently cup sections of your hair in the diffuser bowl and lift towards your scalp. If you prefer a more relaxed look, simply air dry your hair completely. The key is to avoid touching your hair while it dries. This prevents disrupting the curl pattern and causing frizz. Patience is truly a virtue, allowing your curls to set beautifully. Once your hair is completely dry, it's time for the finishing touches. If your curls feel a bit stiff from product, gently scrunch them to break the cast, revealing soft, bouncy curls. For added volume, especially at the roots, use a hair pick or your fingertips to gently lift and separate. To keep your curls looking fresh on subsequent days, simply mist them with water and apply a small amount of a lightweight curl refresher. This helps reactivate products and redefine your beautiful curls.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.